Ukrainian Council of Defense Industry. In Ukraine, we unite more than 400 companies from private sector of our defense industry. And today we represent here more than 40 companies. So, and 24 companies represent their products in our booth. What exactly you can see in our booth? It's that Ukraine during these last few years created something unique, and this unique. It's our drone ecosystem, and we represent this ecosystem here today. So you see that we can here you can see the bombers, the FPV drones, fiber optic drones, as well the interceptors. So any kind of our drones and as well the UGVs, ground robotic systems. So we cover all our newest technology which we use in battlefield line. And why we are here? We want to find the best partners for our defense industry. As you know, like our president announced that we launched the project Build with Ukraine. That's how we want to duplicate our main technologies with our allies. We want to share our knowledges and technologies with them, create the joint venture, and create through these mechanisms, create a new type of weaponry and a new type of technology, which we can use together to defend our country and to defend your interests as well. So that's why we're here. That's what we represent. That's how we want to be the part of joint defense industry of Europe as well. And we are looking for partnership here. As I said before, like the main thing for us right now and for our government and president, it's that we have to be the part of joint defense industry of Europe. And for us, it's like the main course, the main target for our international relationship. That's why, you know, we say that our future of our defense industry as well is the partnership with our allies. And that's why we are here. We want to establish this joint venture. We want to work with our allies through the mechanism Build with Ukraine and as well drone deal. So our president a few weeks ago announced the drone deal. We signed this agreement with our Gulf countries, with our allies in Gulf countries. And that's how we want to share our expertise and experience, how we build our main capacity of drone manufacturers. We want to, you know, to qualify and verify your needs, like needs of our allies, to clearly understand what exactly we can cover by our knowledges, by our as well solutions. And after that, we want to create the joint venture so we have to localize our production with you, with our partners in around our allies from Europe and the Gulf countries, and as well with Turkey. We just arrived from the Saha, exactly the same message we sent there. So we want to find the best partner for our defense industry, because you cover all the Middle East. You are, I think, that one of the main players in this region. That's why it's really necessary for us as well work with you. So, as I said before, like our main goal, main target right now, it's the international relationship. It's the joint venture, the joint products. So that's our way.